Before you buy WordAI, there are 12 key things you need to know. Whether you're considering it for rewriting articles or generating unique content, there are important factors that could make or break your experience with this software. Stick around till the end, because we'll be comparing it with competitors to help you make a more informed decision. First, let's start with WordAI's core function, article rewriting. WordAI is built to spin content in a way that feels natural, but it doesn't always hit the mark. Compared to competitors like Spin Rewriter or Quillbot, WordAI delivers decent results in terms of maintaining the original meaning, but sometimes it can be a bit too robotic in the structure of the output. So, while it's great for simple rewording, it may require some manual tweaks to make your content sound completely human. Next thing to consider is its ease of use. WordAI has a clean, user-friendly interface that's easy to navigate, even for beginners, but it's not as intuitive as some of its competitors. Tools like Jasper or WriteSonic, for example, often offer a more streamlined experience with templates and quicker access to features. WordAI, while functional, can feel a little more rigid, especially if you're looking for something quicker and more flexible. The third thing to know is the pricing. WordAI operates on a subscription model, and it's definitely on the pricier side. For the features it offers, it's not the cheapest out there. In comparison, Spin Rewriter and Quillbot offer lower price plans for basic usage, which makes them more budget-friendly for people just looking to generate rewritten content without all the bells and whistles. The fourth thing to consider is how WordAI handles different languages. Unlike competitors like Copy.ai or Jasper, which support a wide range of languages, WordAI is limited in its multilingual capabilities. If you're working in a non-English market or need to create content in multiple languages, this could be a deal breaker. Next, WordAI's customer support. It's responsive, but tends to be slow at times. While Jasper and other tools offer more immediate support through live chat, WordAI mainly relies on email-based support, which can lead to longer wait times if you encounter issues. Now, let's talk about customization. WordAI lets you adjust the level of creativity for rewording, which is useful for more personalized outputs. However, compared to tools like Copy.ai or WriteSonic, which allow for more extensive customization and preset templates, WordAI feels a bit restrictive. You're mainly limited to adjusting the spin level, and the options for further tweaking aren't as diverse. The seventh thing is content quality. While WordAI does an acceptable job at producing readable and unique content, its quality doesn't always compare to more advanced AI tools. For example, Jasper consistently creates more fluid and creative text, which can be a major plus if you need content that stands out. Next, the overall speed. WordAI does have fast output times, but when compared to tools like Spin Rewriter, it can sometimes feel a little slower. If you need bulk content quickly, you might want to explore other tools that can generate content at a faster pace. The ninth point is how it handles SEO. WordAI includes an SEO feature, but it's somewhat basic. If you're looking for a tool that can do in-depth keyword analysis or content optimization for SEO, tools like Surfer SEO or even WriteSonic might offer a better experience for getting that ranking boost. The 10th thing is scalability. WordAI works well for small to medium scale content creation, but if you plan on generating hundreds or thousands of articles, it might not be the most efficient option. For larger scale content production, competitors like Spin Rewriter or even Jarvis can handle more volume without a hitch. Next up is the trial period. WordAI offers a 3-day trial, which is short compared to the 7-day or even 14-day trials offered by other AI tools. This short window may not give you enough time to test the full potential of the tool, so keep that in mind if you're on the fence. The 12th thing is that WordAI does have a good reputation in the content creation community, especially for rewriting and spinning, but it doesn't offer the same level of versatility as some of its competitors. If you're looking for a tool that can handle more than just rewriting, you might find other AI platforms like Jasper or Copy.ai offer a better overall value with broader capabilities. So, is WordAI a good option for content rewriting? Yes, it is.